Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over some of our favorite outdoor and patio furniture on all of Amazon. You guys, this is from UALITY. It is their 7-piece patio set. First of all, this is gorgeous, and I love the colors that it comes in. You can get this beautiful tropical red or blue. It is going to look amazing in whatever your space is. It's great for patios, balconies, lanais, gardens, outdoor, anywhere, by the pool, wherever. This is going to look so tropical and pretty. Just, it's a gorgeous set. There are 7 individual pieces, so it's really easy to configure in whatever way is going to work for your particular environment, and you can always move them and change them depending on the occasion. So you've got a lot of options there. This is made of super high quality material. It's going to be that PE wicker, so a lot more durable and long lasting than traditional wicker. It is a steel frame, so that is going to last a long time and also be totally rust resistant, which is great for if you have it out in the rain and whatever elements. It's going to be lightweight, so you can move it around. Again, since you have all of those different possibilities, you're going to want to be able to move them and it not be a hassle. So that's definitely the case here. It's really, really easy to clean. The PE wicker is just like a spray and wipe down kind of thing. It has tempered glass on the coffee table, so again, super easy to clean that. And the cushions are machine washable, you guys. Just unzip them and throw the cover in your washing machine. Super easy. This is a beautiful piece. It's gonna last a really long time, and it's going to be easy to clean and maintain. One less thing to worry about. So you guys go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really glad that you did.